Well, there's a new way for hospitals to keep checking in on patients after they recovered from coronavirus and they've been discharged. We'll give you the details on that progress straight ahead. Well, there is a new way to remotely monitor coronavirus patients who have been discharged from the hospital. You know, it's a sensor that wraps around a finger and is attached to a wristband that then monitors your vital signs. It reduces the risk of exposure to healthcare workers and also allows patients to recover at home. Aisha Husni is live here in New York City with more on this newfangled technology and how it works. Hi, Aisha.
Hi, Eric. So we know that not every COVID-19 patient will need intensive care. So when a patient can leave the hospital and go home, then this device is actually giving both that patient and their doctor a peace of mind. So it comes from this medical technology company called Masimo. It's called the SafetyNet device. It's a disposable smart wristband attached to a pulse oximeter, which then tapes around your finger. Now, it monitors vitals like oxygen level, pulse, and respiration rate. And when those levels drop, the device sends a signal to the patient's smartphone, which then alerts the doctor.
What this technology allows hospitals to do is to reduce the demand on the PPE, the protective equipment, to reduce the demand on the hospital beds. Why? Because they can send the patient home.
Now, it allowed doctors in Cleveland to send home COVID patients like Alyssa Drostak, who didn't need intensive care necessarily, but she lives alone. She was part of a pilot program there where doctors saved on PPE, they reduced the spread of the virus, and they also saved lives.
There were several patients already that deteriorated. We picked it up early when their oxygen levels went down, rather than potentially arresting, and we advised them to go back to the hospital, and they're now coming home.
Now, the device received FDA approval about 15 days ago. They fast-tracked it, and since then, 60 hospitals have already signed up, about 60, with 600 more worldwide really in the process of deploying this. Eric?
Yeah, Aisha, that seems like a great idea. And those oxygen levels, really important. That can be an indicator if someone is infected. Thank you. Martha?